Hey everyone, guess who I've got in the house today? Carson. So I've got my grandson today and I've got the neighbor kids too in the backyard.
Yeah, they're playing.
They're playing.
Yeah,
and Carson is going to make us a crockpot meal. All by himself. He has clean hands and we're not going to touch our face, are we? No, we got clean hands. You do not have to oil your crock pot for this recipe. So Carson is going to show us the ingredients, but I'm going to help him out with the first ingredient. These are Allen's seasoned green beans. So Allen's green beans, these are the 20-ounce cans, and I've got 2 of them. And I'm going to lift the lid and pour just a little bit out, and we're going to let Carson finish that up. Easy. Just pour it in. There you go. So he's going to put 2 cans of Allen's green beans, the Italian seasoned green beans, in our crock pot. Good job.
I didn't know there was going to be a lot.
Yeah, there is a lot in those cans. Let me get this one started. Oh, you can't open it. Okay. You gonna put that one in?
Yep.
Just dump it. You got the juice out. Just shake it. There you go. Okay. The next ingredient.
We're gonna put
What are
large potato cubes.
1 large potato cubed. Okay.
I'm gonna dump it in. This one that's not cut.
Yeah, it just needs to be pulled apart. There we go. Now we're gonna.
Now we're gonna put
What is that?
the
Kielbasa.
kielbasa.
I've got a 13-ounce package of kielbasa, and this I went ahead and I just sliced,
As you can see.
as you can see. And go ahead and just dump it in.
And I'm gonna dump it in.
There you go. Good job. Now what?
And then we're gonna put half a bag baby carrots.
Right, and this was Carson's addition to this crockpot meal.
Yes.
He thought carrots sounded good, so we're going to put carrots in
I
here.
love carrots.
He loves carrots, yes.
Yay!
Okay.
Okay, that's a big meal.
That is a
With
big
all
meal.
that.
You think you and Papa can take care of that?
Probably.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna add the last ingredient, which is Italian salad dressing and seasoning mix.
Yes, we are going to add 1 packet of Italian seasoning mix. Carson's carrots are going to make a great addition to this. This is an easy crockpot meal for you to make before or after work. You can let this cook on low for all day, or you can just let this cook for probably maybe 4 hours on high, 3 to 4 hours. When those carrots and potatoes are soft, it's done. It's basically done. So that's how easy it is. Let me grab a spoon.
So I can mix, of course, because it says mix in it.
It says mix. Okay, we're gonna let Carson go ahead and kind of mix this around. Okay, like this. Like this. Hold it like that. Like this. Like you would a spoon, like you're eating cereal. Okay. And just stir it around. Like you would your cereal. There you go. You probably are going to need not a lot of salt, but a little bit of pepper in this. So I'll salt and pepper this right before it finishes cooking. And this is just a really simple crock pot meal that you can throw together for your family. I'm going to let this cook probably, I'm guessing, about 3 hours on high.
Bye.
He sees his friends out there.
Yeah, my friends, Carson and I, and the rest of them.
Okay. All right.
Bye.
Bye. Y'all have a great evening.